Have you ever wondered what happens when a website or service suddenly goes offline? Today, we'll uncover the mystery behind DDoS attacks. A DDoS attack is a malicious attempt to disrupt normal functioning of a server by overwhelming it with internet traffic. Imagine 1,000 people show up at a coffee shop. These attacks use compromised devices, known as a botnet, to send massive amounts of requests to the target. It's like a digital tsunami. DDoS attacks can target different layers of the network. Let's break it down. Application layer targets the user interface. Transport layer includes SYN flood attacks. Network layer, ICMP and UDP floods. The first known DDoS attack occurred in 2000, targeting major websites and causing outages. Since then, attacks have grown in scale and sophistication. In 2016, the Mirai botnet orchestrated one of the largest attacks, taking down Dyn. In 2020, Oz suffered the largest recorded DDoS attack. Here's how a DDoS attack unfolds. The attacker infects devices to create a botnet, then sends overwhelming traffic to the target, making it unavailable. Notable DDoS attacks include GitHub in 2018, Estonia in 2007, and Google in 2017, each illustrating the threat's scale. Defending against DDoS attacks requires a multi-layered approach. Use WAF, leverage CDNs, implement rate limiting, and consider DDoS protection services. DDoS attacks are a serious threat, but with knowledge and tools, you can protect yourself. Share your experiences in the comments.